Korabio. Bibi a basic Ghana man Mabiano. Untimin can see Wabra, said Yevira Onka Hombi. Nanya nunco, what the Quaman on Nikora. Nim Diana Sunsum, Anunti will come multilaterals, World Bank. Na down for power back when Ora Wolfenson, Yanwe World Bank president. Maybe be the president, no. Na hipik. Ya shisha ya ibi biya wiase. Enke Ghana sabi yesika samu nkahwiase no. Ye kukuru. Ya hu ya na last minute no na nkasa ibasa ankrofobia wuram. Ma yira me. Eh, we dey man dem. Ejuma ye bemfie me nu komiansa ye nim se ya tutu sikasemi na wi ntimeti ho a me dindin me kwan ben me faso a ampara panyin say all right na anu ne different hipik ya sane ya otumfuo okopie ho hwemu din na se ade anyame ne nsa wo mu nti medium no so otumfuo no
Former President Mahama also described OTUMFUO as a great human resource whose benefits goes beyond asante. He recounted how the king helped his government in aiding for an extended facility from the International Monetary Fund, IMF.
I remember a particular incident when I was president. We were having difficulties with the economy. And we had just come out of an IMF program in 2012. And so it was a bit too early to go back into an IMF program. But the IMF was dragging its feet because we had just come out of a program in 2012 and going back into a program in 2015 seemed a bit problematic. And I discussed it with OTUMFUO, and he, without hesitation, said that he will help. And I think that was instrumental in getting the extended credit facility approved. I think that is the kind of person he is.
He goes to IMF World Bank to negotiate for Ghana. He does so many things behind the scenes for Ghana.
Mikasa Mrebia Yeko London. Na on IMF for Kudi Nkomo. Ska omu de ba bebo an. E di num say asante man kra na no de ba bebo an. O de ba the chair say was say President Ofo asem say na makwakoye. Nti de boa Ghana na bankasa asante ko. Wa yamai the whole Ghana na hanu Kofi bo kra na onwu nim de o ye no. Kese ahifia kra na ofa na ye a. Ehemkwafo wo ha bebre na ofia wo moka. Okay. On man no nana e wo school e bi no ni e ma bontin kije project no no manya bebe ono ale kofa bai aso ja politics de ya na for no mo se me fa hu na so no ma bebe ono na ye no ada na ama politicians nti ye rade wa ye bi pa wa ye.
As Chancellor and Ambassador
1980, OTUMFUO has received invitations by high-level monarchs and institutions across the world
for his substantial role in nation building and impact on humanity.